my channel. My name is Tina, and today we're going to review the BH Cosmetics Festival Palette, Weekend Festival Palette. I bought this a while back. I don't remember when this came out, but it is from BH Cosmetics, which I bought off Ulta.com. Used to be you could only get BH Cosmetics off their website. My first order through them was through their website, and I enjoyed the first product that I got from them. I picked this up because it is gorgeous. I mean, the colors in here just look amazing, and so the packaging is so pretty, and these are super affordable. I don't remember how much this was. I'm thinking like 12 bucks. Anyways, when you open it up and you see all those gorgeous colors, it's just beautiful. It reminds me a bit of Juvia's Place, like the colors and everything do. This one is not the all shimmer one. That one really, but it wasn't really my thing. So let's swatch this. So there are a whole whopping 20 shades of colors in here. I'm just gonna grab my makeup wipes. The first row is Travel, Candy, and I'm just doing one swipe swatches like that. When I watch videos, that's how I prefer my swatches. Ultimate, Carnival, Eclipse. That shade is so pretty. Then we have Hippie. That's Hippie, Dippy, Wicked, Magical, Boho. A gorgeous shade of pink. I've been using way too much of the colors that are like Boho lately. This is Swag. Then we have Flash, which is a gold. Spirit. Hopefully you can see that one. The whites do not show up on my camera very well. Solstice. Electric. I'm switching hands. That hand's starting to get a little raw. Then we have Trance. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. Palooza. Neon. That's a super pretty green. Euphoria. And then lastly, Hipster, which is just a really nice matte brown. And I just swatched that in a really bad spot. So these shades look so good, especially for the price. This is looking amazing. This first shade here is called Trixie, not Travel. There is no like all over shade for me. I just got this Profusion palette. Our Walgreens had a 50% off sale, Christmas items, and this was a Christmas set. And I will do a video on it soon, but I'm just gonna use that lightest shade out of here. So my eyes are nice and set, and now I'm going to go into Escape, which is this brown here, and just do my outer corner and crease. Okay, I'm going to take a clean brush and just blend that really, really well. I got this brand new brush. I'm pretty sure this is from Real Techniques. And it was a Christmas set. I got it at Ulta before Christmas for like 10 bucks. It was a really cute set, by the way. It has the awesomest makeup bag you've ever seen in it. Just trying to think of what kind of look I want to do today. I have a dentist appointment. I love doing really intense eye looks before I go to the dentist because gives them something to look at, and you know if you did a good job or not, because they're up close and personal. Yeah, I'm probably crazy. I've been doing a lot of orange looks lately, and I am wearing this purple sweater that my dryer decided it didn't want to take the lint out of, and I was too lazy to, you know, fix that. I'm gonna take Swag, see what this brush does, and I'm just putting that on my inner corner and blending that into Escape. And I had to tell you, I'm liking this plan. Those colors are gorgeous together. I like this so far. I don't love this brush. So the brush tip is great. I don't like the length of this handle or how light it is, which seems like a really odd complaint, right? But it's all about what I like. And I'm taking a little bit of Hippie, and I'm just gonna blend that over here. And now I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and I'm putting that on the inner corner and over the top of that orange sleeve that I just did. So now I'm taking Candy, which is this shimmery orange right here, and I'm just putting that over the top of that right to there. That's just to make that shimmer wasn't very intense of an orange. It's more of a tanny orange, and I wanted a brighter orange. And this just lets it be a little brighter going into that purple. Now I'm going to take Trixie and put that on the inner corner. Now I'm just taking another clean brush and blending a bit. And then I'm gonna take a little tiny brush and grab some more of that Swag, which is just gorgeous. Gorgeous shade. And bring that around my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take Hippie, which is the bright orange, and put it right in the middle and use my finger to just smudge them into each other. That is super bright and colorful look. I think my dentist will get a kick out of. I love the way those look. They blend super pretty. So I'm gonna take my Nan eyeliner because I ran out of my Super Cat. So if you want like the tiniest eyeliner ever, the thinnest line on the tiniest tip ever, this eyeliner does that. Like, it is crazy little. So I'm gonna do my mascara. I pulled this out the other day and I've been using it constantly ever since. These blushes are gorgeous. They're by Pacifica. I got this in Ipsy. You can't buy this exact thing online, but they have a trio of them. And they're not very expensive, and trust me, totally worth doing. Pacifica also has a recycle program that is amazing. They send you a label and everything to send the packaging back to them. You have to have it rinsed out and everything. It is a great way to save the environment. You know, you just have to rinse it out and they pretty much take care of the rest for you. And that goes for everything in their line. I'll have to check, but I'm pretty sure it even includes their sheet mask packaging. So if you're worried about the environment and want to do better for it, this brand, crazy good. So this is Ofra Miami Fever. I got it in this month's BoxyCharm. Doing my lipstick on camera drives me nuts. Without fail, the light, like if you get one spot that's just a shade thicker, the light catches on it and it blows it out and it makes it look like my lips are uneven. Drives me crazy. Let's talk about this palette from BH Cosmetics, the Weekend Festival palette. First of all, the packaging is so pretty. I love that. The shadows themselves are amazing. Now here's something, and I'm like, as I was doing this, I was sitting there going, wow, you know what this reminds me of? Should I say that or not? I'm gonna say it. If you got the Party Animal palette from Laura Lee and hated it, which I did, or you just don't support her for whatever reason, I don't care. If you do or don't, up to you. But if you got that palette and for whatever reason were unimpressed or chose not to use it, this palette is one hell of a dupe. I should say a better version of it. These colors work so much better than the colors in her palette. It's not even funny. I hated the look I did with her palette. People are like, oh, it doesn't look that bad. When I spend time doing this look, I don't want it, oh, that doesn't look that bad. Or it looks okay. No, I don't want that response. I want people to go, oh wow, that's really pretty. And this look is, wow, that's really pretty. Look, that I should have been able to do with the Party Animal palette. Yeah, I am in love. I love the way this blends out. I love the way the shades blend together. I wish I didn't have hooded eyes. These shadows are so pretty. Those shimmers, look at that. Frankly, this is cheaper than the Party Animal palette. Obviously, the pans are much smaller for the bright, super bright colors, but there's a lot more options in here, and odds you're gonna go through a palette like this anytime soon aren't really good. This palette is gorgeous, and for the price, I think it's amazing. Although you can pick up the Laura Lee Party Animal palette for like $1, I think. And I hate saying that, but I don't care about the creator of things. I don't care who Jared, whatever the hell his name is from Too Faced, I don't care what he's doing. I want to know if his products work. I don't say anything, but then again, I don't choose to put my money there. I think your biggest voice in things like this is your pocketbook. So if you don't like something, don't buy it. So let's take Kat Von D. I don't like the fact of how she's choosing to raise her child. But that's a personal choice with her child. Now, as much as I disagree with that choice, I have a son with autism. I think the information she's putting out there is very, very wrong. But at the same time, I can separate her from her product. I don't agree with it, but I have Kat Von D products. I'm not going to stop having them. I usually buy them from TJ Maxx. I have no idea how much money she makes off that. So I separate things, generally speaking, and Laura Lee would have been one of those people that, you know, I never really watched her video. I found her slightly annoying. Lots of people you like, I don't have to like. That's okay. It's okay. Promise. We can like each other and not like the same things. This palette, if you don't like her Party Animal palette for whatever reason, is a great dupe, an alternative, in my opinion. In my opinion, this is so much better. Like, this is what I expected out of that palette, because frankly, I wouldn't have cared what happened if that palette had worked, but it didn't. So we are where we are. It didn't work. I didn't like it. It didn't blend the way I wanted it to at all. It turned black. That was weird. You saw it on TV. Or on camera, like it was on camera, it blending black. This doesn't do that. If you're looking for a really bright palette to play with and you want mattes and shimmers, so this has 8 mattes in it, 12 shimmers. The mattes and shimmers in it are both really, really good. I love getting mattes like this blue here. Usually when you see that blue, it's a shimmer. And I hate saying this because this is slightly heartbreaking to me, but this blue versus the one in Juvia's Place is much better. It blends out easier as I'm using it on my hand. It does have, like, it has a tiny bit of pearl to it. It's more matte to me than it is shimmer. It's definitely not a glitter. This purples never blend very well, and that blends beautifully. I'm in love with that shade right now. Especially against that Escape, which blended out to that nice, beautiful brownie orange. Gorgeous color combination. I love the way they look. I love the way they went on. If you're looking for a great color palette and you haven't tried this brand, give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Have you tried it out? I want to know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!